Hi everyone and welcome. So previously we have posted many videos regarding Modbus device data logging using Python. So we have posted one video regarding Modbus TCP IP device data logging to SQLite database using Python, then MySQL database using Python, as well as we have posted two videos for Modbus serial device. Okay, Modbus serial device data logging to SQLite database using Python and Modbus serial device data logging to MySQL database using Python. Now in this video I have one legacy code, okay, for logging Modbus TCP IP device data into the CSV file. This will be the minimal code, okay. You can improve it, you can modify it as per your requirement, okay. So that's what we are going to cover in this video, that how you can log your Modbus TCP IP device data into the CSV file using Python. And if you want to get this code, then you can visit this link, okay. It will be navigated to our Buy Me coffee shop, and here you can see, here I am on my Buy Me coffee shop, and here is the code, okay. Modbus TCP IP to CSV file data logging using Python. You can grab this code and you are going to get the same Python notebook which I'm going to show in this video, okay. So here is the Python notebook, so files, and here you can see Modbus TCP IP to CSV file data logging using Python. I have updated it on 22nd September 2025. So let's open it. Now here you can see we will use pyModbus version 3.11.1 in this Python notebook, okay. If you are with another version, then it might not work. So to install the pyModbus version 3.11.1, what you have to do is pip install pyModbus == 3.11.1, okay, and then you have to hit enter. So it will install pyModbus version 3.11.1, and here you can see requirement already satisfied, so it is already installed in my system. Now we will import every library which is required. Then we will define the IP address and port number of our Modbus TCP IP device. Now if you have any other Modbus TCP IP device, okay, running on other IP address and other port, then you can specify that here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the Modbus slave software, and I'm going to run my Modbus TCP IP device on my local host. So here you can see IP address and port number 502. I'll press OK. My Modbus TCP IP simulator is started. So I'll use the same IP address and port number. We will create Modbus TCP client in the Python to connect with the Modbus TCP device. We will specify unit ID 1, okay, and here also you can see the unit ID is 1 and function code 3 is for the holding register. And then after we will define starting address 0 and the number of register we want to log is 2. So what it will do is it will log this 2 register into the CSV file. If you want more, then you can increase this number of register, okay, and you can log more number of data, okay. I hope it is clear. Then after we will connect our Python with the Modbus TCP IP device, and here you can see the output is true, so we are successfully connected. Now here is the function to get the date. Here is the function to get the CSV file path for the current day. So basically this code will generate new file every day, okay. So your data will not be logged in a single file. Every day it will generate new file and it will log the data in the new file. Then after, here is the function to initialize CSV file with the header, okay, if it doesn't exist. Now here you can see the column in the CSV file. So the first column is timestamp, second is holding register 1 data, and the holding register 2 data. Now if you are planning for more than 2 number of holding register data logging in the CSV file, then you have to add more number of columns here. This is the wide format CSV data logging. So the number of register you have, that many number of columns you have to add here, okay. Then after this is the function to log the data in the CSV file. Then after, this is the main while loop for continuous data logging. So I will run it, and here you can see holding register data 119.130, okay. Here you can see 124.135, 129.140. So it is getting logged in my CSV file, and here you can see the CSV file is getting generated. Now I'm going to open the CSV file using Notepad++, and here you can see we have the data, okay. This is the time. First column is the time column, second column is the holding register 1, okay, and the third column is the holding register 2. Every 5 seconds we will log our data. Now if you want to change the data logging interval, then basically you just have to change this time.sleep to that much of interval. Okay, so if you want to log every 1 second, then you have to change this 5 to 1. If you want to log at every 10 seconds, then you just have to change this 5 to 10 seconds. So it will log the data at every 10 seconds. Okay, now let us reload the file and we will have the new data. Now if you open this CSV file in the Excel, then Excel will lock this file. Okay, so you won't be able to see the data logging live in the CSV file. So that's why I have opened that in the Notepad++. Okay, here you can see we are getting the new data continuously. So that's how you can use this Modbus TCP IP to CSV file data logging using Python code. Okay, and that code is available on our Buy Me Coffee shop. So here is the code. I will provide the link in the description of this video. So it's just a $2. You can get it and you can skip a coffee and you can support us. So that's all about this video, and in the next video what we are going to cover is we are going to cover this topic. Okay, Modbus TCP IP device data logging to PostgreSQL database using Python. So we have already covered SQLite and MySQL. Now we will target PostgreSQL in the next video. Okay, and this video is for the CSV file, so I hope that's clear. Okay, I have added the comments everywhere, so it will be easy to understand for you and you can modify it as per your requirement. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.